Oh, really? Nowadays, I found one thing is mostly I mean, YouTubers are just talking and they're making season and they upload in their YouTube channel.
Yeah, yeah, of course. If we are talking like this, so in this way, some people can come to know about it. They can also learn something from our conversation.
I think maybe they can learn, but the people are doesn't. I think they don't see everything whatever you are speaking. They don't listen everything. Just they are looking the face expression. After that, they think they don't have this kind of. Means if they looks suppose that I'm a good looking boy, then they will continue watch it. Otherwise, they will not watch it.
Yeah, it works a bit, but I think the beginners who do not know anything, they can watch and they can think of this thing that if these people can do, even we can do this thing. It is not that much tough.
Really, I can say one thing. They are really how do I say the person who really wants to learn English only they are means in short sincere learner can watch it. Otherwise, no one can.
Yeah, yeah. So, how did you start learning this
So,
language?
in short, if I say that means since it's my schooling, I would just keep some focus to learn some English phrases, and maybe before 6 months, I keep some more effort to learn this.
Okay. So, do you have good friends with whom you can practice it?
Yeah, really. Actually, still I don't have such friend who with whom I can share everything, and we learn each other. Still, I don't have such friend. I'm looking to make some as a friend who can give some advice to improve my communication skills. But still, I don't have.
Yeah, yeah. When we have some friends who speak English, at that time it is very good for us. I mean, we can speak, we can learn, we can know what kind of mistakes we are making.
This learning it's become some easy for us. If you have such friend, that means it will be easy for us to learn. Okay, well, I
Yeah,
just I'm looking. That means you are outside your home. That's where are you right now? If you don't mind.
yeah, yeah. I am on the roof of the hostel.
Are you a teacher?
No, no, no. Neither I am a teacher nor I am a student. Actually, I was studying before some time, but after some time, I have to start teaching the students.
Oh, that means if you teach the student, then definitely you're a teacher. Maybe
No,
you're not so famous, but you're a teacher.
no, no. I said I am not a teacher, but after some time, I will start teaching the students.
Oh, maybe. Okay, I got it. Not now, but later you will do that.
Yes, yes, of course.
Okay, that's lovely. Then, which subject you are going to teach in future?
English, English. This language that we are talking in.
Only really nowadays I found one thing that means the students and all the people are have created some kinds of I mean passion to learn English. Everyone wants to learn English right now. I mean, nowadays.
Yeah, yeah. It is important actually. If we want to do something big in our life at that time, it is very important. Otherwise, it will be just like a kind of hurdle or barrier, we can say.
Okay, how can you say that English is very compulsory now? I think it is. I mean, to be an Indian, nobody. I think they don't need any kinds of English environment.
No, just think. Yeah, if you want to do a big kind of business, and that too with foreigners, or by going to foreign, at that time, how will you deal with the matters?
Especially the person who really wants to do something bigger and wants to move out of India or anywhere else. Then for them it's necessary for to learn. And the rest of the people who really wants to stay in your home country, for them it is not that much necessary, I guess.
Yeah, it is, of course. But sometimes, when we meet some other people who are from some different states of our country, at that time, it is very tough for us to understand them and to have a good conversation with them if we do not have this language.
Right.
Right. So,
And the thing is, right now, I, as for the Indian, if you say, maybe 60 to 70% are unemployed, and everyone is looking forward to move out of India, and they are looking a job out of India, and that's so that can be the reason everyone wants to learn English communication skills.
Yeah, yeah. And this time, almost everybody wants to learn this language,
Mm.
right?
Yeah,
So you,
at least one person should have many skills nowadays. Otherwise, he can't achieve something bigger in their life.
yeah, yeah. So from which state are you actually?
Well, I just introduce myself. My name is Naved Alam, and I'm from Bihar, and I
Oh,
belong from Muslim community especially. And I respect all the religions, and it's not issue. And there are a lot of numbers of non-Muslims surrounded our village, and we love each other. And we invite, especially in our festivals or any programs or any events, we we invite each other and we attend also, and the respect as well.
yeah, that's a very
And
good
this is
kind of.
all about me.
Okay. So may I know
I
a bit
think I
about
noticed
this?
one thing. Only politicians are creating some issues between Muslim and Hindu or and or other religions, and everyone, I think, everyone are happy with their life, and nobody wants to disturb each other. Everyone love each other, but politicians, the idiots, are creating the issue between.
That is a different world,
Yeah, and they don't think
right?
about the society or nation. They want to fulfill their pocket only.
Yeah, yeah, it happens really. So have you ever been to some other states?
Yeah, of course, I have been many states in India. I mean, I have been for Delhi first, and then second Mumbai and Kolkata, Lucknow. These all cities I have been. I have
Okay,
visited all the states.
it means you like traveling a lot.
Yeah, in short, you can say I love traveling. And right now, I'm in out of India.
Out of India at this time.
Yes, I'm in Kuwait. I'm in one of the country of UAE,
Yeah, yeah,
United Arab Emirates.
yeah, yeah. That's right.
My desire means I have some passionate to travel, but wherever I go, I don't go as for visiting. My intention was there to have some job and to get some money. After that, I go there. Otherwise, I can't. I don't have. I especially I belong from poor families. That's why I just want to become some financial stable, and I do that for.
Yeah, that is important because if we do not have money, so we cannot survive a good life. I mean, we cannot live a good life.
Right. Right.
For living a
Okay.
good
Well,
life,
share something about you. I didn't ask you anything.
sorry.
Sorry, I didn't ask you a question. Get your question. What did you say?
No, no, you said something, right?
I was saying I say something about you. Means I didn't ask you anything.
Okay, okay. Actually, I am also from India and from UP. Do you want to get to? I mean, do you want to go to some other countries except Kuwait,
Uh, Yeah, maybe for the next time, definitely I'll try to go New
Netherlands?
Zealand or England. There are two options there. I mean, I'll apply for both of country wherever I will get chance. Then I will move. Definitely. I think to be in India, I think we Indians have opportunity to move around the world.
Yeah, and
Anywhere we can move, no problem.
we can find some Indians everywhere in almost all the countries.
Yeah, almost. Right, you are right.